everybody, it's time for another episode of In the Mail. As you know, the YouTube community has plenty of great channels out there putting all kinds of cool content out all the time, including lots of opportunities for buying, selling, trading coins, lots of giveaways too if you just take the time to look around and meet some others. Once again, I've been lucky to win a few giveaways and also got some other mail that I want to show off, and it's time to do some shout outs for those channels and show you what I've received. Remember, as always, there will be links to all of the channels we talk about today in the description below if you'd like to take a look and show them some support, which I highly recommend. First up, we have mail from the Livingroom Panner. If you have not yet seen Livingroom Panner's page and you enjoy coin giveaways, you should certainly check him out. Just about every day, and sometimes even multiple times per day, Livingroom Panner will post videos of various games and raffles, and usually it's a lot of coins and stuff like that for prizes. There's usually a number guessing game that he does that's free of charge to enter, and you can enter that once per day if you like. Lots of cool prizes from that. I know that some of his games and raffles can be confusing for some the first time you take a look at them, but if you do spend a little time to watch a few of his videos and play along, it can be a lot of fun. Plus, you can win some coins. And that's what we have right here. I entered his daily free number guessing game and happened to win that. So here we go. Here's what we have here. It says, "Cool numbers. Thanks, Michael, for all your support. Enjoy these goodies. More fun coming. Your friend, Livingroom Panner." So I entered the number guessing game, and what you do is you pick a number 1 through 50 and you email it, and if you're wrong, he says, guess again tomorrow, and if you're correct, he says, you win. So I won some wheat cents in the number guessing game. So we got a few here. There's a 1925, a 1918, so we got some earlier ones here. There's a 46S, a 52D, a 1929, and a 1909. No VDB, but nice to get a first-year Lincoln cent, that's for sure. So I got the wheat cents for just guessing name, and I also won a free entry into one of his raffles. Usually you got to pay a few bucks, whatever the raffle is, to get a spot in the raffle, but I got a free entry into that raffle as part of the prize. And wouldn't you know it, I actually won one of the prizes in that raffle once he selected the winner. And this was one of the prizes. Again, it says cool numbers. It was some dollar bills with some fun serial numbers. So this one starts out with 1 and a bunch of zeros, so that's kind of fun. This one's 1800 and then 8001, so a bunch of 8s and zeros, and it's ended by a few 1s, so it's 1, 800, 801. That's a pretty cool one. I don't know if any of these that we're showing are going to have really any high collector value, but they're definitely cool, and hey, appreciate getting a few dollar bills as a prize. This one's 48, 40, 48, 48. That'd be really cool if it was 48, 48, 48, 48, and I know those have big value in their the repeaters like that, but no, that one's pretty cool. This one here has a bunch of 5s and 9s and zeros. Here's a bunch of 8s and 6s and zeros. And here's a 75, 75, 14, 75. Again, almost one of those repeaters that everybody really loves. So very cool. There's 6 fun serial number dollar bills. Not a bad prize. And again, I got those. There was no cost to enter. Livingroom Panner has all kinds of fun games like that. So thanks again, and be sure to check out his page and watch his videos for your chances to win. All right, next up we have mail from She Pirate. For those of you who do not already know She Pirate, she has a channel with lots of videos on coins and even some metal detecting. Really great at doing shout-outs for other channels and is a great friend to the coin collecting community. We did feature She Pirate in a previous episode of In the Mail when we did a sticker trade. So if you have a channel sticker, she's one of those in the community that you definitely want to do a trade with. I'm a little bit late on my mail calls, but I am getting caught up. So this one I did get a while back, and what it is it's a very nice Christmas greeting. So I do appreciate that. I really do love the Walking Liberty design as well. And it's She Pirate. Merry Christmas. Be blessed with your family and friends and keep stacking. Love, She Pirate. So again, thank you for that. Really cool holiday greeting there. And thank you for that. After that, we have mail here from Oldies and Goodies. Those of you who are familiar with Oldies and Goodies know him as Al or Uncle Al. We've had mail from Oldies and Goodies in an earlier episode of In the Mail as well. We also did a sticker trade. Again, if you do have a YouTube channel sticker, be sure to reach out to Al, as I know he loves to do sticker trades with everyone in the community. And so this mail here I really wasn't expecting, so it was nice to see when it showed up. And what we have here is another very nice Christmas greeting. So there we go. Michael, may your Christmas be filled with the blessings of family and friendship. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Oldies and Goodies, a.k.a. Uncle Al. So Al, that was very thoughtful of you to send that. I really do appreciate that, and thank you very much. All right, next up we have this big pack right here from Ida Herring. So not too long ago, Cajun Coin Hunter, who many of you are familiar with, was hosting a fundraiser auction on his channel. And during that fundraiser, there were a few giveaways. And in one of those giveaways, I happened to get lucky and won. The prize of that giveaway was a Cajun Coin Hunter embroidered hat that was made by Ida Herring. Of course, there's going to be a link to Ida's channel in the description below. She's a wonderful supporter of many channels and does excellent embroidery work and is a quilt maker as well. Well, anyway, during that auction, and right after I won this, kind of in the spirit of the fundraiser auction, I asked that instead of sending me the prize, that it be auctioned off to somebody else to raise a few extra dollars. And that's what happened. So they sold the hat that I had won, and they got some extra money for their fundraiser. Well, not too long after that, I got this in the mail as a surprise. And even though I had auctioned off the hat that I had won, Ida Herring decided to go ahead and send me one anyway, which I thought was very cool and quite generous. So we'll take a look at that. Get the packaging out of our way here. So it says here, Michael, thank you for all you do. Have a great day, Ida. Very nice. And what it is, it's the Cajun Coin Hunter hat. Cajun Coin Hunter, a.k.a. Boudreaux, and his Wheel of Silver. And there's a pretty cool hat. It's got the camouflage, and it's got the flag there on the bill. And again, the embroidery work by Ida is very nice. So even though I auctioned my winnings off, I still got one thanks to Miss Ida Herring. So I really do appreciate that. Also, many of you know that Ida has been collecting channel stickers from many of the coin channels here on YouTube, which she plans to incorporate into a quilt that she is making. And that quilt will be auctioned off on March 14th in order to raise funds for breast cancer research. This Quilt for Cancer collaboration auction will be held on Big T Coins channel, which is also linked in the description below if you do not already follow him. Many channels from all over YouTube have been sending in other items to be donated and sold in that auction for charity, and I planned on sending him some coins as well. But really, the highlight of that auction is going to be the quilt made by Ida Herring that's going to feature channel stickers from pretty much every channel you can think of on YouTube. She's going to be hand making this quilt, and it's going to be amazing. So you guys need to keep your eyes out for that auction, as I'm sure that it's going to help to raise a lot of money for a really great cause. So thank you for that, Ida. And again, that'll be on March 14th on Big T Coins channel. And the link for that will be in the description below as well. So anyway, with that, I want to thank you all again for watching. And as always, if any of you out there want to send me anything for a future episode of In the Mail, my address is in the description below. I really do appreciate all of your support. And until next time, keep having fun with those collections.